YouTube is now a dominion of voiceless content, and there are many voiceless channel ideas. Everyone attests that it's an interesting way of engaging viewers because you can be vocal while you are off the camera. Interesting, right? This is a technique of silence while present. The strategy works best if your speaking voice isn't impressive or if you have speaking conditions. With all these limitations, you can still take part in the adventure of getting YouTubers all over your content. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 9. Cooking. Cooking is a great channel idea if you prefer silence in the video while retaining the silence while present strategy. Tips and tricks in these cooking channels entail showing the ingredients, adding subtitles on the videos, and focusing the camera on essentials. You can focus the camera on the oven or gas cooker as you show the audience how to stir or mix systematically. There are some successful food channels with 450,000 subscribers, and they adapt this strategy. For instance, Yummy Food World Channel. The audience attests that these videos are relaxing and enjoyable to watch. You can use natural sounds like water flow and audio tracks to make the video not boring and relax in such videos. Some viewers prefer the audio tracks to avoid boredom when watching and make them more interesting. Number 8. Compiling music. Instrumental music is a good idea for a channel where you don't need your voice in the video. This also uses a silent but present strategy because you only use static images for visuals. Viewers get to enjoy the best music content while you showcase your creativity freely. This is a great way to express music skills. For instance, the Guitarist's Community channel on YouTube. This strategy can help you make music unconventionally, and you can do this without talking in the video. All you need is to play or make great sounds and record while your hands make the magic. Another idea is compiling music from the good old days and posting them. Trust me, this idea works. People want to listen to music from back to the 90s and 2000s. This brings back memories to most people, and it has worked in so many channels taking up this trend. You can also compile music. For example, most listened music on YouTube, most liked music video on YouTube, or even best music for. All these ideas don't need one to add their voice or face to the video. Just edit the videos, and you are good to go. Number 7. Gaming. Gaming has become one of the most popular trends for youth right now, ranging from PlayStations, PS1 through 5, Xbox, PC games such as Need for Speed, and many more. It's most likely that many people need to improve their skills in these games, which is where the ideas come in. Many channels with this gaming content don't need to show their faces when illustrating the moves on the screen. As much as this is becoming popular on YouTube, it's a good way to make your videos interesting without talking. The strategy works best because you just need to let the camera do the magic. In these videos, you don't need to scream or yell to make the spoken comments in a game. Surprisingly, the majority of the audience prefer gameplay videos that are just showcasing the action. Many people prefer tranquility and watching relaxation content, so this is a great way to put the content together that shows all the good aspects in a game. Number 6. Pet channels. Pet channels have also emerged, and many are rising to the top. Many YouTubers have taken to the challenge of rescuing pets that have been mistreated or abandoned by their owners, and showcasing the various talents that these pets have. They are doing more to ensure their content is more and attracting a larger audience. Although many owners of these channels are pet owners, some are veterinarians who choose to educate pet owners on pet diets, health, or the lifestyle of their pets. Some are educators or instructors who train them. So with all these ideas, one doesn't have to use their voice or face in the videos. Statistically, the majority of YouTube audiences are dog lovers and others love cats. So who wouldn't enjoy a pet video? Sometime back when YouTube was still new, many people used to post goofy videos, especially pet-related content. Surprisingly, these videos had many views and the trend has been constant to date. So, why wouldn't you try something funny on your pet and use it to get those views? This is a guaranteed way of keeping the audience entertained, and you don't have to use your voice in the video. You just let the camera and the pet do the magic and enjoy. Number 5. Tutorials. There are many nerds on YouTube who will be anticipating your next tech tutorial channel. If you are into such content, this would be a good way to come up with interesting content and present it to your fans. Build that bot and let the camera do the work. You don't need to talk or use your voice in tutorial videos, as long as the camera focuses on the materials you are showcasing. I agree that having video tutorials without speech is unusual. What you do with your voiceless videos is add background music to them. This is simple to do on YouTube. Otherwise, perhaps, you should consider using the latest techniques that better meet your needs, such as guided tutorials. You can use some software to create web interactive instructional videos from screenshots. Upload some screen grabs, define shareable areas, add annotations and other interactive elements, and you're done. You can even use our text-to-speech technology to add spoken explanations to your tutorial. You provide the text, and the software will speak for you. The tutorials are browser-based, so that they can be easily shared with your intended audience. Contrary to popular belief, creating tutorial videos is not a difficult task. Using a screen recording tool, you can quickly generate high-quality tutorial videos. Nowadays, many screen recording tools include features such as a video editor, intro and outro video posting, direct YouTube sharing, screen annotations, mouse emphasis, and so on, making it easier to create tutorial videos. Number 4. Animation and ASMR. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is the tingling and sedative sensation that some people experience in response to a stimulus on their shoulders and the back of their heads. This sensation, also known as a brain massage, is triggered by soothing sounds and visuals. Whispering and crisp sounds like tapping and crackling are known to induce this sensation in the body. This phenomenon is known to be amplified when listened to through high-quality headphones. All of the data and information presented above demonstrate that ASMR is more than real and that it is here to stay. The success of the YouTube channels suggests that these videos can influence people on a subconscious level. A few global brands, including KFC and Pepsi, have recognized this phenomenon and begun incorporating it into their promotional campaigns. Incorporating ASMR into your videos creates a more immersive experience for the viewer and allows you to convey your message more effectively. The rate audiences are embracing animations is rising nowadays, and ASMR videos are not left behind either. There has always been a thrill about animations, but channels like these are getting more views every day. The best thing about these channels is that you need to use visuals, i.e. cartoons, and you don't need to use your voice. The background music can be anything, but you don't need to talk in the video. ASMR content mostly entails whispering, although you don't need to talk in the video, because with a microphone, you can capture such sounds. All you need to invest in is the microphone because it should have top-rated specs. Either way, this is a nice idea for a channel where you want to leave your voice out. Number 3. Voiceover. Nowadays, you can have narration without talking in a video. Most people are opting to use whiteboard animations, and the best strategy is to hire a freelancer on Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, among others. Some may believe that the audio input is less significant than the visual portions, but this is not the case. Most video viewers say they are more likely to stop watching a film with poor audio than a video with poor video quality. In fact, according to a recent Systems Perspective survey of video viewing habits, more than 25% of video viewers watched a video all the way through because the sound quality was good, more than those who said high-quality video style was most important. It's not surprising. While the on-screen components of your video are what distinguishes it as a video, in many cases, it's the voiceover that allows people to understand what's being shown truly. Viewers are irritated by boggy, muted, or otherwise distorted or difficult to understand audio tracks. And, for people with visual impairments who still require the information in your video, good audio is critical for their consumption. So great audio isn't just necessary, it is essential to keep viewers engaged and interested and ensure that they have learned what they need to learn. Number 2. Workout. Everyone is interested in retaining a perfect and healthy body. Through such channels, you can look for a good fitness schedule. In these channels, you don't need to talk or use your voice because the audience is only interested in the workout challenges. The tip and trick here is to keep the exercises short and target specific exercises at a time. Choose challenges that complement the fitness goals. If it is focusing on ladies, you can choose Zumba classes too, but with sensible time frames. If you are an instructor, ensure that the video has a fast pace because it doesn't involve using your voice. You can move the beat by kickstarting this fitness routine that doesn't involve any gym memberships, and you will keep the audience engaged. Choose exercises that make the audience feel comfortable trying them in their houses. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. History. It is fascinating how people love to listen to stories from the 90s. Stories such as World Wars and how the Nazi regime was have proven that history videos are one of the leading trends on YouTube. The channels showcasing these historical videos have a lot of views and subscribers, making them more successful than any other channel on YouTube. I would purely suggest this one, as it has so much content that one can pick from. You can target your audience using history or interesting facts to keep your channel going. The best thing about history is that it never loses meaning, and the audience never loses interest. You can use text or other visuals while pointing out interesting facts about history. Make sure to check out the next video to find the best ideas for faceless YouTube channels. See you there.